Today I'll be unboxing some Duel Overload cards that I bought from tier0.com. I bought 1, 2, and 3 of these. I'm going to try to open one on camera here. There's no plastic on them, but they are sealed. You get the tray of cards, and then the giant oversized one. Cyber Dragon Infinity for that box. Mine doesn't seem to be attached to any cardboard like I've seen online. You get 6 packs. And I believe 5 per pack, 5 cards. Alright, I'm going to try to get the rest going. Alright, I tried changing the angle a bit. Here are the other 2 cards. We have another Cyber Dragon Infinity. I like the dark on it. And 3 Cyber Dragon Infinities. I don't know if that's lucky or not, but it's cool nonetheless. Here are the cards I opened earlier. Armor is pretty nice. And I kind of opened these other packs so it'd be easier. Just undo. Oh, that's a good one. Christian. I was hoping for a black wing right there. Now Union Carrier or Anaconda would be amazing next. Relinquished. Also great. Actually wanted one of these. Kagari, alternate art, and then some repeats there. Mecha Phantom Beast, Aurovodon, or John my Emperor. Ooh, Infinite Impermanence. Nice. Alright, that would be the first box. The other boxes got kind of mixed up. But that's a pretty strong start, I would say. Put those aside for now. Artifact Dagda. So it looks like the better cards are in the front on these packs. So far at least. I don't know if that's how they are set through. YuGiOh, Magical Musketeer. It's another cool one. Vingursu. That's a card I didn't have. Oh, it's actually a pretty good pack. I was hoping I would get the Warrior from another planet. Another Artifact Dagda. Madame Verde. Extra Hero. Double Evolution Pill, it's pretty nice. Madochi Mageline. Fuma. Ancient Gear Ballista. So we're already down to the third box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. 6 packs a box. We're at the 5th. Last of the 5. 10-year Spirit. Well, here's hoping Anaconda or Union Carrier. Ooh, another Hauki Fibrex. Nice. Definitely can't complain now. Condemned Dark Lord. Excited for those new ones. Another Swap Frog. Well, not another, but I was hoping for one of those. Last 2 packs. Another Infinite Impermanence. Wow. Very lucky. And final pack. Let's put the first card behind. Gilgamesh and ooh, Predapant Anaconda. Nice. So some of the cards I'm excited for, definitely some of these high tier cards. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you guys got anything good on your packs. So I think this pack opening has been pretty successful overall. In 3 boxes, I got some pretty great cards. Anaconda, Hauki Fibrex, Anima, Infinite Impermanence, and Nigirsu. Those are some of the ones I was really hoping for, but wasn't expecting. And then some of the other ones that are probably more common that I was just kind of hoping to pull in general. These would just be nice additions to the decks I have. Madame Verde is pretty good. I was kind of hoping to make a Witchcrafter. Some of the other cards became a little more expensive, unfortunately. And this is a pretty good plant card. But yeah, thanks for watching. Overall, if you guys enjoyed, let me know if there's anything I could do to make these videos better or more entertaining. Maybe add music or something. Just let me know in the comments. This is something I'm trying to do as a hobby, not so much as a permanent thing. Definitely won't be many videos. But yeah, anything, just let me know.